Right then, Shagger, so you join me, a very excited boy today, because I've been sent a new tool. So that is the tool in question. So this is my new van tidy. So I had a message from SMurph Engineering last week, so basically they've teamed up with a tyre fitter, and I've come up with this design, and it's going to make everything, well, just so much easier out and about. Now, to what I'm working with at the minute, which is that, well, it's just going to be absolutely bloody ideal, isn't it? So, tell you what, let's get all that shit ripped out of there and let's get this in and we'll see how it gets on. Right, so I've just got the majority of tools out, but look how bloody minging this is, look. Look at that, that's years of shit. So now I've just got to try and find the screws in order to get this big fuck off casket out, hasn't it? It wasn't me that's put it in, so Christ knows how they've strapped it into the back of the van. But we'll soon see, won't we? Oh no! The forbidden shoes. Oh, and they're open. How much do you want to have one of them? I want at least a £5. So after about 20 minutes of fucking about trying to find them screws, which are absolutely buried under about 10 years of shit, well, I reckon we're about ready to come out. Oh wow. Bloody hell, is that what my floor used to look like? Oh my god. Right, so we'll brush that shit out because I'm not a complete heathen, just the majority of a heathen. So then, out with the old and in with the new. Now if I was to do it properly, I'd probably measure up and make sure it's all level. But I'm not that guy. Providing it's practical, I don't really give a shit if it's straight. That looks straight enough, doesn't it? We'll just fire some screws in there, it'll be fucking sound. Right, so it's in, and it has been for a few days now, so there it is, look. Now, I am biblically impressed with that. It is absolutely brilliant. So I've been out on a good few jobs with it now, and it just makes everything so much easier. So before, when I was looking through that box, well, trying to find a tool, it was like trying to find bloody Bonnie Blue's virginity. It's just not going to happen, is it? It's got loads of room for all my stuff. So I've got my gun in there, look. I've got all my bead tapping devices there, look, for me bead knocking activity. So I've got me hammer, my chisel, I've got my 2 pig's ears. I've got all my split rim tackle down there. Hopefully that doesn't have to come out very often. And then I've got an abundance of levers in there. And because I've got all that, and I managed to fuck that box off, well, it's made me absolutely loads more room as well. I reckon I've got about 2 more foot room there, so, no, it is brilliant. So, like I say, it's SMurph Engineering that have just started making these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all his details below. I'm going to tag him in this video. Now, if you're working as a tyre fitter, or even if you're just working in a van, and you fancy something that's going to organise your shit a bit better, get in touch with him, because, honestly, that is absolutely brilliant. I am really, really impressed with that. It's making my life very much easier. So, no, big shout out to SMurph Engineering. Thank you very much for getting that sent to me. You're a bloody legend. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're all alright. Hope you all have a good weekend. And, yeah, I'll see you in a bit then, Shaggers.